That's why it's so important to only give your time, energy, and money to women who reciprocates. Reciprocates, ibig sabihin, willing din mag-spend ng time with you. Willing din to spend their energy with you. Willing din to spend money with you. That's how you give your time, energy, and money. Because these are very important resources as a man. Kasi dito tayo nakaka-build ng kingdom natin. So, only give your time, energy, and money to women who reciprocates back. Because again, men pursue, women choose. Okay? Tayo talaga yung mag-first move. We are the pursuers talaga. So, mag-first move tayo. Ayan, syempre, pag nag-first move tayo, mag-spend tayo ng time, mag-spend tayo ng konting energy, mag-spend tayo ng konting money for dates. Ganyan. But we will check if mag-reciprocate siya. Because when she reciprocated, 99% of the time, she is already attracted to you. Okay, ayan o, tingnan nyo. Heart, tapos lust, ayan. Love and lust na yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. So, 99, when she reciprocates, if nagbigay ka ng time, if willing din siya magbigay ng time sa'yo, then she is reciprocating. If nagbigay ka ng energy sa kanya, binalik niya sa'yo, then she is reciprocating. If you spend sa date and willing siya to spend sa date nyo rin, she is reciprocating. 99% of the time, when she reciprocates, she is already attracted to you. That's why it's very important to do interest check first before you pursue any women. Do interest check first. I-check nyo muna kung interesado rin ba siya sa'yo or hindi. Kung attracted ba siya sa'yo or hindi. Before you invest more into her. Before you give your valuable resources into her. Kasi ito, ginagamit mo to buy these things, di ba? Itong gifts, flowers, chocolates, utang, hatid, sundo. You're spending a lot of this. That's why, before you give your valuable resources, you need to check kung interesado din ba siya sa'yo para hindi masayang. Because again, kahit gaano karami yung spend mo sa kanyang time, energy, and money, kung hindi kanya gusto, ayan, kung hindi siya attracted sa'yo, wala din bilang yan.